Welcome to Tech Help Canada, where businesses come to support their growth. Today, we're diving into what makes one product sell almost effortlessly, while another struggles. Understanding these elements is crucial for the success of any offering. Let's explore the key factors that make offers easy to sell and the everyday hurdles you might face. The foundation of a marketable product lies in its inherent value and market fit. When these elements align, selling becomes much smoother. First and foremost, you need a clear value proposition. Effectively communicate the benefits of your product and why it is superior to competing options. Your audience should immediately understand the unique advantages your product offers. The price of your product must reflect its value and be attainable by your target audience. Present your offer in such a way that the decision to buy requires little thought. When the value and benefits are crystal clear, it becomes an easy choice for the customer. Naturally, products that meet high demand face fewer barriers to market entry. Established trust, like that enjoyed by brands such as Apple, can accelerate sales. Building brand recognition and trust can significantly impact your product's success. Testimonials, case studies, data, and endorsements can validate the effectiveness of your offer. Social proof helps reassure potential customers that they are making a wise decision. Connecting emotionally with your consumers can also enhance your offer's appeal. Products that resonate on an emotional level tend to do well. Creating a sense of scarcity can drive urgency and boost sales. Limited availability can make your product more desirable. But while some offers hit the ground running, others face steep uphill battles. Several factors can cause this, including products that don't stand out may struggle to capture market interest. Differentiation is key to grabbing attention in a crowded marketplace. Even well-designed products can fail if they don't meet the market's needs or desires. Ensuring a good market fit is essential for success. High pricing needs to be backed by equivalent value to gain acceptance. Without perceived value, high prices can deter potential customers. Products that are difficult to understand or use can deter potential customers. Simplicity and ease of use are crucial. Without effective marketing, even the best offers can remain unseen. Strong marketing efforts are essential to bring your product to the forefront. When writing your sales copy, keep all these factors in mind. Engage emotionally and logically, convince with clarity and brevity, and articulate the unique value proposition that addresses the customer's needs and desires. Success in sales often depends on how well you connect your product's value to the customer's needs. Thank you for tuning into Tech Help Canada. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep innovating and pushing beyond your limits.